Hey everybody, my name is Astronaut Andy, and on today's adventure, we're going to learn about farm animals. Like these ones. Are you ready to blast off? Let's go! We made it to the farm. Let's see what animals live on a farm. This is a cow. Can you say a cow? A cow makes a sound. Okay, let's check out the next animal. This is a horse. Can you say horse? A horse makes a sound. This is a pink pig. Can you say pig? A pig makes a sound. Let's go. And this is a chicken. A chicken. A chicken makes a sound. I wonder what's next. Come on. This is a sheep. Can you say a sheep? A sheep makes a sound. And this is a donkey. A donkey. A donkey makes a sound. This is a goat. Can you say a goat? A goat makes a sound. This animal is a turkey. A turkey. A turkey makes a sound. Let's see what's next. This is a duck. Can you say a duck? A duck makes a sound. This is a bunny rabbit. Can you say rabbit? A rabbit makes a sound. This is a llama. A llama. Can you say llama? A llama makes a sound. And this is a cat. Cat. Can you say cat? A cat makes a sound. This is a dog. A dog. Can you say dog? A dog makes a sound. And this is a mouse. A mouse. Can you say mouse? A mouse makes a sound. Okay, now that we've learned all the animals, let's play a game. What animal is this? A horse. Okay, let's do another one. What animal is this? This animal is a pig. Good job. Now, which is this one? A cow. What animal is this? This is a mouse. What animal is this? A donkey. And what about this one? You got it. That's a duck. What animal is this? A cat. And what about this one? That's a dog. What's this animal? A turkey. Good job. What about this one? A bunny rabbit. Can you name this animal? A chicken. What's this animal's name? A llama. What about this one? That's right, that's a sheep. Can you name this animal? Good job! That's a goat! You did such a good job learning those animals. Let's go through them one more time. Dog, horse, mouse, cow, sheep, rabbit, turkey, cat, llama, pig, goat, chicken, donkey, duck. Wow, good job learning all those animals. Make sure to subscribe and like the video for more adventures.